Welcome Summer School Georgia Virtual School students. This is Mrs. Hall and I wanted to create a short video to help you get started with the navigation of your summer course. Whether you're taking world history or psychology with me this summer, the course navigation and information in these videos will be the same. In this first video, we're going to look at how to navigate your home page. So when you log in to your world history or psychology B course, you will see the course name right here in the green bar along the top. You will see that you can come back to your course home. This is the page we're looking at now at any time by clicking on course home. This will always be at the top of your bar. Resources, if you click on resources, you can access your student handbook for summer 2016, in which you'll have information on school policy, and you need to be aware of this information. When you first log in on the first day of class, you're going to see a welcome bulletin board in which it tells you to start here, and there's a couple of tasks that you should complete prior to beginning the course. The first is to learn how to check your Georgia Virtual School email. This is the email that you should use in all correspondence with me this semester. The second thing you should do is print and save a copy of your course syllabus or schedule. This schedule was sent to you in the welcome email, but if you have not downloaded it now, go ahead and do so before moving on. To do so, you will come to the right of the page and scroll down until you reach what is called the course information widget. In that widget, you will see a 6-week and a 5-week schedule. Depending on the course that you're enrolled in, you will click and download your schedule from these links. Number 3 says to, and this should be completed the first day of class, complete the handbook acknowledgement form by clicking here to learn how. This form should be turned in to the Dropbox, and I'll show you how to do that in a video entitled Submitting Assignments. The next thing you should do is access your course content by going to Course Materials and click Content. And so we'll go up here, Course Materials, and content, and this is where you'll go to get information that you will use to learn about various topics in the course and also prepare for assignments that will be submitted for a grade. Every day when you log in to your course, you should do 2 things. Check your Georgia Virtual School email, which you can always click on by linking here, and then scroll down and check your news items. News items will be updated a minimum of 3 times per week with pertinent information about class happenings, assignments, and anything else that's really important. So it's always important to check that daily. The welcome news item goes over with some tips for success in the summer session, as well as a couple of dates. To continue on home pages, we're going to scroll back to the top and look at this white bar, and then we'll go down the right. The white bar holds your Assessments tab. This is where you'll go to complete your class discussions if they're listed on the schedule. The Dropbox is where you'll turn in projects and handouts. Grades is going to be your gradebook where you can check your grades. And Quizzes is where you'll go to take tests and assessments. To the right, the widgets on the right are going to have teacher information. It's got my name and contact information, email address, hours of availability. If you email or call me during these hours, you will receive a response within a few hours. If it's after these hours, it'll be the next day before you receive a response, but all correspondences will be returned within 1 school day or 24 hours during the week, Monday through Friday. You can click my welcome message by clicking here. And again, here's another way to get to your Office 365 email account. Below that is the course information widget, which we looked at, in which you can get your schedules, the 6 or the 5-week one. See the standards for the course, access your acknowledgement form to turn into the Dropbox. You have a student notebook, which has resources to use during the semester, and a link to my synchronous classroom. Synchronous sessions will be held on Tuesdays at 2 and my office hour on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. These sessions are not required, but they are a helpful time to gain more information about course topics and also ask questions. And then down at the bottom of your course homepage is another link to the content browser. This will get you through navigating your course homepage. In the next few videos, we'll look at how to read your schedule, how to go through your content, how to submit assignments, and how to check your grades.